name is Sabio Pereira and I'm the attorney of the community of Thivim. I already gave a bite earlier. I'm very thankful to the government of Goa, the police force, collector, the deputy collector, demolition squad, that is, electricity department, the PWD, the administrator of Community North, and all those involved to help facilitate the demolition. Most of all, the support, the trust, and the encouragement, the Gaonkars of the community of Thivim. I think they have been fantastic. And I really owe this to them. I mean, the committee owes this to them as well. It's been a long struggle, but yes, we have come. So basically, there are 23 houses which are going in for demolition as per the directives of the High Court. So when you ask me, is this going to be the only one? No, there will be lots more if anything is left. This just sets a precedent that we do not tolerate anything illegal. We've taken a lot of flack before, saying that kai naina, tumchekade demolish apakutna, bandre, communidad ha, chalta. Those were the exact words which we had to listen to. But I think after this, the encroachers should take note that this is a very serious offense. Just like you would not allow somebody to come in your private property, Comunidad is private property. You wouldn't want anyone, squatters, illegal encroachments, that to not paying a single rupee or no permissions. And it's just not this survey number. The press, the honorable press, you are all aware there is another directive. There is a writ petition filed. It's a suo moto by the High Court. I think it's 3 of 2024. All illegal structures in Comunidad land are going to get demolished. Not just in Thivim Comunidad, all Comunidades. And we are taking cognizance. We are very, very serious about this. This is going to happen.
Some subjudice.
Yeah, it's been a long battle, 15 years, but good things come to this way. And that's how the system is. That's how the judiciary is. I don't blame anybody. But the process involved, the time taken, due to whatever reasons, XYZ factors, at least it's happening now. Finally, it's happening. And it only goes to show that the Gaonkars were committed not just then, even now. And therefore, with that thought process and that conviction, we have managed to get a demolition.
There has been an allegation that, all this illegal structures mushroom with the blessings of, Comunidad body or the local person. What do you say about that?
Madam, allegations, like I say, are always allegations until proven by a competent authority or a court. Tomorrow, they say you've demolished only 23, what about the rest? Settings alwa. Correct? The point being is that it's easy to talk, but it's difficult to execute. So we are all dependent on judgments, orders, directives by our authorities as well. You just can't come up one day, no community can just take a bulldozer one day and say it's my land, so I'll bulldoze everything what's in the way. No, there is a process involved. And we all know we have to follow the process. So who's taken what, which Comunidad has done, which local body has done, I'm not the right person to comment on that. We tried and we have to follow processes. The process of Indian judiciary and the system is such that it takes time.